Okay, we're good. Anybody have problems with 7?
No.
I enjoyed it.
I don't know if I'd go that far. That's cool. It did seem kind of like it reviewed other chapters.
Yeah, that's what I noticed.
Mm.
Okay. What do you need? All right. Well, should we just jump into the quiz?
Why not?
And all of you got the message about combining?
Yeah, I got
I'd be
it.
fine with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd be fine with that too.
Combining what? Sorry.
Doing it all in one video.
Oh, yeah. That sounds
Are we going to start that next Tuesday? I mean, Monday?
I hope. I'm barely getting it done in time, but since it was my
Is
idea,
that
I
when
better.
was that when the next unit starts, or is that for the review?
Oh, do we have chapters on the week of the review? Yeah, you still have to do lesson 8 and lesson 9.
Oh, we still have. Oh,
It
sweet.
says lesson 8, lesson 9, and review the exam.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
I'm actually volunteer. I'm a volunteer at the Phoenix Temple as a host a lot this weekend, so we'll make it work.
Blessed.
There you go. Isn't that how that works? All right. Okay, starting on 3, I guess, again. Combined area. Or 1.358.
Are we doing the quiz right now then?
Yeah, we're on number 3.
Okay.
Now the standard normal would just be the center between the two, right? Which would be 0.8255. Is that right?
Still trying to pull up the happy.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay. Under the standard normal curve, all that is to the right of. Never mind, I did it wrong. It's the right
Just
and the
asking
left.
us to type in that number and then fill in the left and the right of the red lines.
Yeah, so it's 0.1745, but it just says go to 3 decimal points. But I can wait for you guys to. If the
So it's 0.175.
yeah, if I did 1.358 on the right hand side and negative 1.358 on the left side, and I highlighted the left and right sections, and the area was 0.1745.
Yeah.
But if we wait for somebody else, especially somebody who enjoyed the homework.
I did that. That's what I got as well.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
I trust you guys. .1745.
0.175 because you want to round it to 3 decimal places.
Okay. Yeah.
So you want to round it up.
Yeah.
Number 4 I need on paper. I have to underline numbers. There's too many numbers.
I know. So we just find the z-score first, right? So
Yes.
Yeah.
paper.
So it's the value minus the mean, right, on the top? Over the standard
Yes.
deviation.
Mhm.
Now, how come, which mean do you go? You go with the sample mean, right? The 170.
Yeah, you do that minus 185.
It wouldn't be the other way around? Oh yeah, because the value.
It can be a negative number.
Minus 185. Over it's 26.7 over square root of 48.
Yeah.
Hey, honey, I need my phone. I need my calculator. Can you bring it to me, please? Hurry. I have to bribe my 4-year-old to give me my phone back. He tells me, no, I'm using it. Hurry, run it, quick. Honey, just for a second. Hurry, hurry, run. Hurry. Okay. What? My friends. Hi. This is Andrew.
Hi.
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 Hello.
With strawberry. Okay, go play. I'll be done in just a second. He's alone. His teenager's always sleeping and his sister's playing. Okay, just a second. I just have to do the calculator for Did anybody enter those numbers?
I have an answer, but I'm not 100% sure if it's right.
I'm just double checking to make sure that I wrote everything down correctly.
I can do it on the computer, I think, honey. Let's try 177.6.
I feel like I'm so off with it.
Yeah, my number is kind of high.
Because
What's
I got negative 1.920, but that could be wrong.
I got negative 0.072.
We're talking about the z-score.
Yeah.
I got negative 1.92.
Hold on. What do you want? Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. I'm almost.
Okay.
Okay. I got a negative 2.335, so I got a different number. So it's 177.6 minus 185 on the numerator, right?
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
the second one close the last one.
So how did you do it, Jameson? How did you figure out what you got?
So for the z-score, I had 177.6 minus 185 for the numerator, and in the denominator, it's the standard deviation, which is 26.7 divided by the square root of 48.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I had.
So you have negative 9 or minus 9 for the top, right? And then 26.7 divided by the square root of 48 is 3.85.
Yeah.
177.6 minus 185 is negative 7.4.
That is my heart. I love when I get the problem wrong on the easy part. Right, minus 7.4.
And you divide that by 3.85, which is 26.7 divided by the square root of 48.
So it's negative 1.92?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
That's what I got.
Thank you.
I'm not sure what it's trying to get us to do with the extreme or more extreme.
I think that's just saying we fill in the middle and the right portion,
Oh,
right?
Yeah, either above or below the mean. There's the ice cream man.
0.97?
0.973. This is what I thought.
You'll hear that in Arizona all the time. That's the ice cream truck. They
Oh,
drive
good.
up and down the street.
What is that sound?
So the center, yeah, I don't know. My kids think it's so great to buy a popsicle for $3. So the center and the right is what's highlighted.
Right.
Okay, so 0.9726 or 973. Now the reason we do that is because it says as extreme or more extreme.
I'm pretty sure.
Because it says in parentheses either above or below the mean.
That's what's throwing me off.
Would above and below be the left and right, where it'd be 0.0549?
That's what I don't know.
Because one standard deviation. Yeah, see under note, it says as extreme or more extreme. Means they're also interested in the values that are far away from the mean in the opposite direction, which makes me think they want the. I don't know. Their example is a pretty high number, though, 0.89. Why don't we write down both, and I'll turn it in with the 0.05. And if it's wrong, oh, you know what? We're not supposed to be videoing our quiz. Let me stop this.